Hello, boys and girls. My name is Uncle Papaya. Now, I'm at a beautiful Paris Flora Center. Now, welcome to our very first episode of Kids Gardening. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about some of the herbs and we're going to report some yummy herbs. Right, so we've got a variety of herbs here at this table. We have here is laksa and rosemary. Now rosemary smells really good. We have oregano. O for oregano. And not forgetting parsley. Mom would love some of this. We have thyme. T for thyme. Thyme smells good too. And mint. That's how mint looks like. Good for drinks. Lavender. L for lavender. So kids, let's talk about how to care for these herbs. Yeah? You want to start your herb garden? I know how to care for them. Now what you and I need, food, right? We need air to breathe. We need oxygen. Plants need just about the same thing, right? So they need food, they need air, they need light. Now what you have here is parsley. Now how do we care for parsley? Now parsley and mint, they need to be kept moist. Not wet, not waterlogged, but moist. So what the plants need, mint and parsley, is a well-draining soil. So basically, when you water it, the water has to drain out. So how do we know if a plant needs watering? Going back with the parsley, you can feel the weight of the pot. If it feels heavy, you know it's wet. So don't water. You can stick your finger into the soil, just do your very first knuckle, just stick it in. If it feels wet, don't water. If it's moist, good. Then let it wait for a couple of days before you start watering. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about the light requirements of some of these herbs. For rosemary, thyme, you want to find the sunniest spot in your house. So put them in a very sunny area. They need lots of light. Now, for herbs like mint, they would appreciate a little bit more of the morning sun. The afternoon sun can be a little bit too intense on this guy. Okay, now to help with the planting or the repotting of the herb, these are the tools that you would need. Kid watering cans, some of these mini tools, the spades, the shovels, containers of different sizes, small and big. We're going to use the big container to put our two herbs in. Okay? And also, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, we have gloves. Alright, so remember your gloves. Now you can choose to use this pretty good potting mix, very own household brand. So shall we get started on our little repotting project? Right, so let's get started on our repotting. Right? What you have is an empty container. You want to line it with some of this potting mix, like this. Okay. Now you'll be ready to take the plant, the herb out of the pot. You might want to get mommy to help you or daddy. You did? Just knock it a little bit. Okay. Now make sure to give it a little bit of space in between the herbs, yeah? Alright, so here we have it, right? Herbs in the container. Now, earlier on we talked about adding soil, adding potting mix. Now just remember this, kids, when you do add your potting mix, do add till the roots of the plants are covered, yeah? The roots of the plant got to stay under the soil. Alright? Now don't forget to add nutrients in your potting mix. You can do this right now, just sprinkle some around the herbs, or you can mix it together in the soil. Now last but not least, watering is important. Okay, so do remember to water. Okay, so water until it drains out from the bottom. And you know there's enough water in a potting mix. what do you do next? You find the most sunny spots in your house. Hey, so there you have it. Very own homegrown herb garden, right, in a container. If you enjoy such activity, do join us for upcoming workshop called the Swirly Monster. And to find out more, click on the link on our description below. Okay kids, now the cool and fun thing is, after watching the videos on this Kids Gardening Fest activity, complete the worksheet and tag us on Instagram to stand a chance in winning this attractive gardening kit. The link to download our worksheet is in the description below. Okay kids, we've come to the end of our very first episode. In order not to miss our upcoming episodes, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hey, please join us again for our next episode on Paint the Plant Pot Hell. Bye!